Daily Affirmation, Wednesday, December the 21st. Cornell's Tarot. The Six of Wands in the upright. Public recognition, victory, progress, self-confidence. The Three of Wands in the upright. Preparation, progress, foresight, enterprise, expansion, overseas opportunities. Words of abundance. You have the ability to instantly manifest abundance by choosing powerfully positive words. Always describe your own and the world's economic situation in loving and optimistic terms, and that is what you attract for yourself and others.